Whoopsie. What's up, you guys? It's Alan. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing for a really long time, and that's because I haven't been really doing any pickups. Right now I'm in Dubai, and the pickups that I have are also from last year. The stuff was lying here and I just got my hands on them. It is about 5:30 p.m. and it's super sunny, which is why I have the blinds pulled. Now this is going to be a really quick video. While the hero product is a Patta New Balance 990 V3, which I got through a raffle at the Good Life Space, I also have a few other pickups from the US trip that my friend Sahil made. Let's not waste any time. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up as it progresses. Man, I was really looking forward to these pants. These are the Carhartt Rugged Flex Relaxed Fit Pant. So they have your regular jeans or a denim kind of a pocket. The Carhartt branding right here. Here's your pocket for your tools. And unfortunately, what I didn't realize is that these pants run tight. So it's recommended you go up a size. I got a 34. I tried trying them on and they wouldn't fit. Guess I'm gonna have to fast and go on runs before I can actually fit into them. Two tees from Kit. This one I think Sahil walked into the store and picked up. I already have a similar t-shirt in the black colorway, which I wore extensively through my vacations in Malaysia, Vietnam and Singapore. So I got the same one. You see that Kit branding there in a gray and a white. There's a Sasquatch stick of the dead. Shout out to Siddhant for this. Wait, is he telling me that I stink? I have bad body odor? And Sahil got me socks from Stans. We have this paper bag with the Good Life branding, and inside a Volt green box, and like you can see, the Patta branding done right there. This pair dropped, the Patta New Balance collab dropped I think around October last year. You have that hit of New Balance branding as well. I actually haven't taken a look at this pair, so let's lift the lid together. And you have that nice paper. This collection is called Keep Your Family Close, and what's nice about this collection of the Patta New Balance drop is that they made a full size run for your family, and bam, there you have it. The pair in this muted olive green colorway and hits of Volt, much like on the box. Now, like all 990s, this pair as well is made in the US of A, and you can see that here on the tongue. And I've heard great things about the 990, that they're the most comfiest pair. I have the 2002R and I have the 992s, the Jound, and the 2002R is the Rain Cloud. This is going to be my first 990, and I got the V3. You can see that the base layer is done in mesh, and then you have those hits of green. This gray part right here is reflective, much like the New Balance logo right here on the side. And you would usually see 990 done right here on a GR pair, but it says Patta here, and this too is reflective. And the same goes for this heel tab, which is reflective, and it says made in USA. You get that extra Patta P on the heel. The olive green panels are done in suede, but it's not a very shaggy or a hairy suede like you would probably have seen in the Jound 992s. This one is a very flat suede, but it's been done well. The midsole split into 2 or 3 colorways, I think. So you have the sail in the forefoot, and on the heel you have a muted gray, but then this part with the end cap, which also carries over to here, is speckled and done in a little more of a vibrant gray. The heel clip, which has the New Balance branding done on it, and of course you have your usual 990 outsole done in gray and black, a proper grippy kind of feel. But an interesting thing is you would see there's a carbon fiber plate or a shank right here that gives you better stability and rigidity. So from what I read, the pair has been inspired by the trees in Suriname. Now Suriname is where the founders of Patta come from, although Patta is based in Amsterdam. And I've spoken about the Suriname. Wait a minute. What are the odds? What are the odds that I am wearing my Patta Air Max 1 right now? I've spoken about their Surinamese legacy in this video, and it's interesting because this insole has the Patta branding done all over, whereas on the New Balance 990 V3 they have this clock tower kind of a thing. It says Heritage Collection 990 version 3, and I'm not sure if that's the Big Ben or if it's the Mint Tower from Amsterdam, is it? If you know, let me know in the comments. It's well padded, you have the same mesh as the toe box carrying forward right here, and you have this lace loop which says optimal control on it. I like the insole lining as well. The sock line and all of that have this kind of a mesh kind of a finish, but it's also got this interesting shiny detail to it. Now this sneaker comes pre-laced in these olive laces right here, although they do come with a light brownish thing that goes I think with the mesh panels, but I am gonna keep the olive laces on because I'm a big fan of them. So that's about it. I just wanted to do a quick video because I picked this pair up back in October and I've been really waiting, and shout out to Manoj for having actually gone to the store and picked it up. I won the raffle, but he went to the store to pick it up. That's right. I'm now gonna first layer this with a protectant hydrophobic spray, and then I'm gonna slip them on feet to show you what they look like. I just thought I'd show you this paper before I close the video. Patta Family New Balance. I hope I continue to make some videos and don't keep you hanging. If not pickups or sneaker purchases, at least in a vlog format. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. I appreciate you. Stay safe. Peace.